How to turn on comments on TikTok. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch your TikTok application in your mobile device. After that, make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now from your home page, navigate to your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Once you get to your profile page, navigate to top right corner and tap on the three-line icon. A drop-down box will pop up. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Now, under Settings and Privacy, again under Account section, tap on Privacy. Once you get to Privacy page, if you scroll down a bit and under Interaction, tap on Comments. Now you will get to Comments page. Now, to turn on comments, tap on the first option on this interface that says Allow Comments From. Tap on it. From here, if you have select no one, that means no one can comment on your videos and stories on TikTok. Now to turn on, select the first option that says everyone, and with that, everyone will be able to comment on your videos and stories on TikTok. So with that, you have turned on comments on TikTok, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next video.